What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I kind of just wanted to summarize my experience so far with bags. Jordan is here. We're gonna do a little kind of a photo shoot, but overall I just kind of want to talk about how the install went, how the ride quality is, sort of my comparison from going from lowering springs to bags. So I'm gonna summarize all that hopefully in this video and hopefully make the decision whether or not you should get bags. But first, since I bought the bags and the shocks used, these were lost in the process of shipping and whatnot. I don't know if you can see them, but these are the damper adjusters, and once in the directions, you have to kind of drill a hole in this little top hat thing here, and it just fits right down in there, and click, done. Now I can adjust the damping on the front shocks. So how these little guys work is they are a knob that clicks as you turn it. It's supposedly 30-way adjustable. So what I do is I go all the way to the left. Technically that would be 1, and then I go up and to find where you are. Make sure that they're equal, that way you can feel it throughout the car. But this is a good way to fine tune the damping and make sure you are getting what you want in your suspension. So this is my ride height, how it sits right now. It's nice and level between the back and the front, as you can see here. Nice and even. So basically, the way that it sits right now, aired out, it is way too low in the front for my taste, and then not low enough in the rear. So that is because the collars on the front are actually adjustable. So once you get your bags new, you want to make sure that you are adjusting those and following the directions. That way you can get the right ride height that you want. Come on, light, really? All right, I think I gotta move around. All right, we got our light back. Okay, so once you find that, the best way to do it is by measuring this, the side and the inner part of the hub to the wheel well, right on the top, right here on the fender, and make that measurement equal on both sides. I would start out at a higher setting on those collars, just in case you are tracking your car like me. If you wanna go show, drop all the way to the bottom, you can slam this thing, but that is not what I'm going for. All right, so I need you to take the camera. We're gonna air all the way up and then all the way down to show them the range.
Can I air it out? Jesus Christ.
Oh, actually, if you want to.
Wow. All right, let's see this thing. Okay. This is ride height, yeah?
This is ride height. So right now I'm at 80 PSI in the front and 55 in the rear.
Oh, we got some shadow action going on. Your car looks like a satin gray, and it looks really sick, because this is not what it looks like in real life. I might have. Okay, I'm gonna go with side shot. Okay, ride height.
Alright, so this is ride height.
Okay.
Now we're gonna air all the way up.
This is monster truck height?
This is as high as I can go.
No, it's not. That's monster truck height? That's not even that bad.
Alright, so that's as high as I can go. This is basically what I use for like getting in driveways and stuff. Driveways, liking it. Okay, now air it out, you know?
We're going to smack the ground. Smack the ground. Wow. You know what pisses me off is you don't like the front fitment because of your race car life, but I love the front fitment.
0 PSI all around.
Isn't that really bad for your bags?
Yes. Well, I'm at 5. I'm at 5.
Okay, 5% all the way around. Hold up, we need light. We need light. Where's the sensor? Hey! I mean, the back. What are you at right now then?
That's back to ride height.
This is ride height? I like ride height. Yeah, aired out. You're smacking the front for sure.
Yeah.
Shout out Jordan Harris, you got it at 2000 what?
Whoa,
whoa.
He's not tracking it, so don't follow him. All right, so as you can see, the full range there. So that is what I was talking about with adjusting the height on those collars, because it just wasn't high enough for me. I barely make it into driveways if there's like a big speed bump. I mean, it's like stock ride height is where I'm at right now, fully aired up. All the way down, it's nice and stuff. But if you're looking for performance out of this, I would definitely suggest making sure that that top is a lot higher. That way you can ride at sort of a smoother, I guess like less PSIs for a smoother ride. And then when you want to track, you're at your nice ride height at a maximum PS, or like at a higher PSI. for that like stiffer spring rate or whatever you want to call it. So I did calculate how long it took us to install this whole suspension system with the management, the lines, all that, having the issues that we had, and it totaled at 15 hours. So if I kind of had the knowledge and experience that I've done this before and knew how to wire all the lines and do the management and everything like that, we probably could have brought it down to about 10, 11, maybe 12 hours. But I think that this job can be done at home if you watch videos like this one or the past one that I made or any other videos online, follow the directions like extensively. This job can be done pretty much by anyone. It just really comes down to a matter of if you have the tools or not. So make sure that you do your research, you get those tools to make it the job a lot easier. So overall, I'm extremely satisfied. It's a lot of fun airing out all over the place. Sometimes I do it at stoplights just for people who look at my car and they're like, the nice Audi or whatever, and then I air out and they're like, oh my God. It honestly brings a lot of joy. I think it's a lot of fun. And I definitely recommend it for anyone out there who's looking for kind of that between track and street, but want the kind of versatility that this suspension offers. The controller is another really good feature of the Airlift 3P. Being able to I don't even know if you can see that. Here, being able to accurately kind of see on on all the four corners at what PSI your bags are at. It's a slight delay, maybe a 1-2 second delay until you can see the actual pressure. So I have mine set at 80, 80, and 65 and 65 for my ride height. So it's kind of not like perfect, but it gets really close to the actual pressure that you save it as. And to kind of control it, this is going to be each of one of these is a preset. Typically this bottom one's going to be your air out. Or actually there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Usually this is air out. Usually this is raise all of them. And you have 3 other presets. This is my ride height, this is my going into driveways, and then this is my air out. And then from here, there's 8 controls. So you have 2 for each corner. So on this side you can air up, air down on the front left, and then air up, air down, air up, yada, 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 yada. But from here, you can hit both these buttons right here, boom, brings you into a little menu from where you can kind of play around with your system, personalize it a little bit, and you can also use Bluetooth, connect to your phone, and do the exact same features. It just shows this whole little display on your phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed kind of my like all around review and kind of some of my notes that I was having issues with or that I liked on this video. Like and comment, kind of something else I should bring up in this video or in the next video. That way you have the knowledge and you know what. So like and subscribe this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below on something else I should include in another video. That way I can help everyone out there who kind of has their doubts about air suspension. Big shout out to Sideways and Smiling on Instagram. Check him out. He's kind of the tilting point which made me go with air suspension. Just because he tracks his Subaru a lot and he has a lot of track experience and titles and winning and all this other stuff, and his car's sick. Check him out on Instagram. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.